screw hindi pang padala. Papapin.
Ay, si ate, ganon.
Ayan, nakita na.
Galing ko talaga ba? Ganon pala siya. Oh.
Pagkatang gano'n kagaling ana.
Diba?
Walang natud-an og asa dapat ituplok.
Ano siya guys?
Yan na guys.
Ano siya?
At last. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here again. Today is Sunday and our off day again, and my friend is here. She is eating durian wafer.
Yes.
Huh?
Ano siya makain?
She's very generous, guys. She bought
No.
ice cream also. She bought ice cream also, and it's a yummy. And the most of all, she bought a gift for me. Yay!
Actually, panos na siya. Last 3
Yeah.
months.
Panis na daw kasi 3 months already. It's already 3 months that she was not able to give me because of the circuit breaker. So then the other Sunday she also forgot to bring. Now she made it. She didn't forget already, but she forgot the. What did you forget just now? Ang haplas pala, yung pang ano, gamot sa kabag. May nakalimutan pa rin.
Wala ang wallet.
So yeah, you know what is the gift? Her gift to me? Because my birthday was last March. Last March, and now it's already June. Then this is the only time that she got bring the gift here. So we will now unbox the gift. It's a very nice gift, guys.
Really?
Yeah, because she always see I am holding my phone every time I vlog. I got no.
Mas ako ang nakafocus. ako ang bida.
Ikaw ang bida, ikaw may naghatag.
Dili makita.
Ayan, ang gift. Very special gift. It's a tripod. 1 year na akong nagba-vlog, guys, pero wala pa akong tripod. Kaya yan, binilhan niya ako ng tripod.
Luoy mo na siya, guys.
Oh, luoy daw kay
Generous ko,
ko.
mas generous yun.
Kuripot.
Generous ko, mas generous siya, guys. Natinood lang.
Ayan, at saka monopod, tripod, at saka
Stick.
oh, monopod ba na siya?
Ito ba dyan?
Monopod or selfie stick.
Sorry lang ha. Wala na inform si
It's
Madam.
a one set. It's one set, guys. From Carousel. Carousel, no? So, yan. Nice, right? She's very good. She's very good to me. That's why.
Mabend na siya.
Ha?
Mabend na siya ha. Pwede na siya
Oh, maben ni siya. Kabalo naman na sila kamusta.
Sige na. Sorry.
sorry. And there are lots of accessories here.
Naipa-freebies na.
Free buys. There are free buys.
Holder.
Yan. Holder. There is a holder, and this one is what?
Screw.
is a
Kung
screw.
mag-extension ka.
If you want to extend something, then you can use this one. And this one is what for the holder. Sabi niya.
Remote.
Oh, remote. There is a remote. Remote, if you are using this tripod, then you want to selfie, then you can use remote to click when you want to take photo. This one. Ito yaw ba niya? Wala gandar. This one is a remote control. Automatic. Pwede na ni siya rin?
Bluetooth.
Wala. No, ay, Bluetooth. You just have to connect this one through Bluetooth. And then, this one.
Phone holder.
Yeah, this is the phone holder. You just extend here. Walis ka.
Wala nyo nakayanan sa budget, ha? Pasensya.
Anak na ito. Then you put your phone here. May example na ito.
May pa-example pa.
Makitaan yun yung ito ang mga kukuan.
Good. Huwag na siya pabag. Huwag na siya pabag.
Yan, ganyan. And then there is a bag, is a pouch to put all these things.
Wala mo po yung ana, guys.
She complained she don't have this one.
Saling pusa nung bugod.
And then this one, you can, if you want to use this monopod or selfie stick,
Kung makasarili ka, guys, ka na imuhang gulit.
you just remove this and put here. No?
Pagpikit ako, ikaw kabalo kung saan.
Wala mo na taon ganyan, no?
Wala.
Kabasig ka ni.
Dili pang lock mo na siya. Ang buti ko kabalo.
Lang saon kaya ni.
How? The important is na ang tripod.
Saan mo po ni siya, oh?
Muna siya ang screwdriver.
Holder, gihapon no, red. Wala na.
Ang pabag nila ang last.
So if you want to use this selfie stick, you just use this, remove this from here and put here. Okay, try daw na to, eh.
Just stick it up and
Yeah, take this out.
lisod best.
Ala. Half na. Tinanglan na yung tindugan, eh.
Lisod siya, guys.
So, tanggalin to.
Loko na lang taon kayo, lisod ko. May try nga itong Bluetooth ng ano. Ako Android. So this is the on.
Rag tanggalon man ni siya rin, oh, kay isulod siya diri, oh.
So dali. Tapos
This is the problem now. Unsa una?
Ano?
Estudyohan sa nato.
Gani, istudyohan sa nato ni siya no. Ang bitong lock.
Ay diri gurulin oh.
Ano siya? Ah? And then? Dilo. Ni anak.
Di dira man na siya sa ano.
Hindi ko pa to na-try. Ano man siya?
Hindi ko nga siya ikaw dra basta diha na siya. Ay na iba siya dito. Kasi mali ng mga scroll di pang padala. Si ate, ganun. Ayan, nakita na. Ganun pala siya. Pagkatanggal na kain ako na kain na inana. Walang natod-an sa lapit ituplok. Yan na guys. At last, nataod na siya. Niya po, sa una po nagpagtaod balik niya. Balik niya siya. Sabay ko po sa anak ang butang-butang. Ano siya ate? Pamina din ako. Pwede ko siyang gamiton siya. Kung mag-extend ka. Kung lights. Lights o microphone. Ganun na nakikita ko sa vlogger na nagpo-post. Oo, naabit ako. Pang-sumpay-sumpay, kilid-kilid, pataas. Alam mo na ganun-ganun. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano gawa. Basta ganun. So yan lang guys. Ang aming vlog ngayon, unboxing my gift from my cousin. My cousin friend. Kaya mo man ang iingon. Kasi Sintahan. Friends, you know? We're family. Yeah. Yun na. But we're more than cousin na. We are like family. We're like sisters. Because she is my childhood friend in Philippines. We are neighbor. Balik-balik tayo naman ang mundo. 10 meters apart lang ang bahay, guys. Tagbok lang kasada. So, ito lang guys ang aming vlog ngayon. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to click the like button below. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Happy Sunday everyone. Keep safe. God bless.